Today I'll be solving my whole entire Rubik's Cube collection. So let me just show you the collection before. And in my collection there is the 2x2 first. We're gonna start off with the n by n puzzle. Here's the 2x2, and the 2x2 I have is the Diang Tangen 2x2. And then I have two 3x3s. First one is this one, which is a Yushin Little Magic, and I unboxed this like at the start of my channel. So if you haven't watched it, I'll put every link in the description, either a tutorial or an unboxing of anything. I'll just put it in the description below if you want to check out any of the tutorials or unboxings I did. So this is a Yushin Little Magic magnetic. Then we have the 3x3. This is the RS3M 2020 again. I also unboxed this as well. Then moving on to 4x4. 4x4 I have the YJ Mini 4x4, which I also unboxed. I think I unboxed it. Yeah, I unboxed it. I don't remember quite clearly, but I'm pretty sure I unboxed it. And so yeah, this is a 4x4. It's 56 millimeters. If you don't know, it's a mini cube, so it's 56 millimeters. So that's the same thing as it's the same thing as my 3x3. Next up, we have the 5x5. This is a MGC 5x5, and I also did an unboxing of that. Then the next WCA event I have is the Pyraminx. This is X-Men Bell V2. Then we have the square one. I have the square one. I think this is a Yushin Little Magic magnetic again. Yeah, that's the one. Then we have a windmill cube. So this is a windmill cube. I think this is a YJ version 2, I think. I don't remember the name. I've not unboxed this one. So yeah, this one. Yeah, these two are the bus. This is the Axis cube. Then we have the Pandora cube. I think I unboxed this one. I don't remember, but yeah, this is the Pandora cube. And then we have the Gear cube. I didn't unbox this one because I got it before even I started this channel. And the last puzzle is the Mirror cube. Alright, the Mirror cube, I took off the stickers because the stickers were kind of ruined, and yeah, I lubricated it a bit so that it can turn smoothly. Alright, those are all my puzzles, and in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next step is to just scramble all of my Rubik's cubes. Alright guys, so now I'm done scrambling, and now I can just start to solve them. And I'll start off with the Mirror cube because I think this is the hardest one among them. It's a V-perm. I think that's a V-perm. I think I messed up. No, I messed up. There we go. Solve the Mirror cube. Ooh. I'm already tired, my back's hurting. Alright, so next up we're gonna do the 5x5. No inspection, I guess. Let's start. Alright, done with the 5x5. Now we're gonna move on to the 4x4. This should not take too long. And I think that's an E-berm. Yeah. Done with the 4x4. Now we're gonna move on to square one, so yeah. Oh no, I got parity. I don't know how to solve it. I'm just gonna mess it up again. I'm gonna scramble it again because I don't know how to solve parity. And so yeah, just gonna scramble it and hope that there's no parity this time as well. Alright, there we go. Done with the square one. Alright, so I think we're done with this, all of the hard puzzles. Oh no, we still have the axis cube. The axis cube is kind of challenging because you don't know where, if the center is going to be twisted or not. So finally, I'm done with the axis cube. I think I'm done with all the hard puzzles. Now it's just 3x3 shape mods and other puzzles. So now it's just time for windmill cube. This cube is pretty easy. Yeah, and now I just got twist that centerpiece, so that one needs to go counterclockwise, so something like that, maybe. Yeah, so that should work, and there we go, we're done with the axis cube. Now we're gonna move on to the next shape mod, which is the Pandora cube. Now that should just be easy. Alright, so that is the G-berm. So it's like that, just insert that. Now we're done with that. Let's move on to this 3x3. Oh, I just gave myself an easy scramble. We have already 2 cross pieces, and this one right here. Maybe. No, this one just popped. No. So I think that should go there. Alright, so it's like that. Another G-berm. This is the same G-berm I got on the Pandora cube. Wait, what? Oh, this is also a good scramble. Decent, I guess. Another G-berm. Wow. Next up, we're gonna do the bear minks, and this should be pretty easy. Let's just put the tips back now, and there we go. So I should just solve that. Put that in there, and that one there, and I think it's this one. Yeah. There we go. And last one is it. No, we still have one more, which is a gear cube. I forgot about this actually. So this one's just like that. I really don't have any method for it. Although I did teach it, I have made a tutorial on it. I don't remember how I taught in that one. So I'm just gonna do it randomly. So I think I can just do this one. Done with the gear cube. And the last one is just a 2x2. Let's just do inspection for the first time. I'm not that great at 2x2 again. Yeah, so now we're done with all of my puzzles. I don't even know if they're gonna fit in frame or not, but yeah, these are all my puzzles. If you guys like this video, then give it a like button. Consider checking out these 2 videos and click over here to subscribe. And I'll see you guys all next time.